nagpapakilig titig sa camera habang ginagawa natin ang that kind of fast talk.
Okay.
Okay? Ayan, ganon. Habang our time begins now. Okay. Maginoo, medyo bastos.
Maginoo.
Mayaman, gwapo.
Mayaman.
Kissing, cuddling. Camera.
Kissing.
Diretso, paliko-liko.
Diretso.
Mahabang ligawan, mabilisang ligawan.
Mahaba.
Risk taker, heartbreaker.
Risk taker.
Good boy, naughty boy.
Sometimes.
Single, taken.
Taken.
Should take. Okay. Kinikilig ka kapag
Kapag nakikita ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay,
kinakabang ka kapag
kausap kita, Tito Boy.
tinitiliang ka kapag
Kapag kumakanta, tsaka sumasayaw, dahil magaling ako
ang
sumayaw.
galing. Nakita namin kanina.
Yes.
Napapakagat labi ka kapag
Alam niyo na, de joke.
ideal age to get married.
35, 36.
Ideal woman to love.
Someone who is smart and understanding.
Mila o Clay?
Mila.
Canada, Korea?
Korea.
Dilaw, pula?
Dilaw.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-make out sa sinihan?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-drunk dial ng ex?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-blind date?
Siguro yung message lang dati sa Instagram. Ano.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipagsuntukan dahil sa babae?
Siguro ano lang, confrontation lang.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanligaw ng artista?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakatulog ng walang suot?
Guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on tayo para makita.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for happiness?
Siguro kapag di ako pagod.
Complete this. The best kind of love is?
The best kind of love is understanding and unconditional.
Wow. Yan ang pambansang Ginoo. Ano ba talaga ang, I want to talk also about Pulang Araw, aside from that kind of love. How is it working with Barbie and the other big stars in the movie? With Alden, with, who else is there?
Sanya Lopez.
Sanya is also
and
there,
Dennis
diba? And then
Trillo.
Barbie.
Yeah.
Dennis Trillo is
Trillo
there. Okay. Ano yung pakiramdam? I mean, when you're doing, a big project like that. Pangalawa, gaano na kalalim ang iyong pagiging magkaibigan ni Barbie? I want to talk about it. A lot of people would say that kind of friendship is like Vilma Santos and Boyet De Leon. Yung lahat ng kwento, lahat ng kasagutan dito ay maririnig po natin sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.